Hello everyone and welcome to another Motormatch Chester video tour. We're very pleased to be taking you around this 2015 Abarth 595 that's just arrived here on site. This absolutely gorgeous sporty hatchback boasts a 1.4 litre petrol engine with a manual transmission. Overall, this vehicle has a brake horsepower of 180 and is extremely fun to drive thanks to its amazing handling and prowess. This vehicle of course has only two previous owners, both of which are looked after extremely well, as it's got an incredibly low mileage of just under 21,305 miles, which for the age of the vehicle is absolutely wonderful. This is also the T-Jet Yamaha factory racing spec in particular as well, so it's very unique and it's going to be very hard to find another one like it. This car is also equipped with the Vibe audio and the Scorpion Cat Black spec as well, so it certainly stands out from the crowd. You can see this straight away with the interior, as it's incredibly luxurious and just unique all around really with its sporty detailing. You certainly don't find anything like this out there. Of course it's built on the Fiat 500 Abarth body, but it's certainly been well remodelled here. There's plenty of room in the back for space for up to 2 passengers as well. As we come to the rear of the vehicle, we can easily access the boot by lifting up underneath the 500 badge. Although of course you'll notice the dual exhausts, and I can tell you firsthand that they can make some serious noise if you rev up the engine. Inside you'll find there's actually a decent amount of space here, and you can always fold down those rear seats if you want to extend it out even further. Time to move on to the driver's side now, so we can take a look at some of the fun stuff in store. Of course, you've got all the controls you'd expect really, but as we jump in behind the wheel I can show you a bit closer. We've got the incredibly unique and gorgeous gear stick. We've got all our air-con controls, and up above we've got our little radio media player, which allows you to connect your own devices to play your own music very easily. We've got quite a unique digital display on our dash here, which tells you everything you need to know at a glance, and we've got our steering wheel mounted controls, so you can configure the Bluetooth and volume control on the go. Of course, we've also got our Sport Turbo Boost bar here as well. Connecting your own phone allows you to answer phone calls safely on the road and play your own music like I mentioned before. And you can connect it through some physical means as well, with the USB port, aux port and 12-volt port down below. This was just sadly a very quick sneak peek through the vehicle, so if you're interested in it and you want to experience it for yourself, you can go on down to the YouTube video description where you can find a link to our listings. And of course you can always find us directly at www.motormatch.com, where we do provide a click and collect service. Anyway, I hope you're all staying safe and have a great day. Cheers.